Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this. This is Fit Figure corn maze cakes, quinoa and gluten-free, as you can see. Non-GMO. Kind of curious what it tastes like. It's probably going to taste like a little dry, but here's the nutrient ingredients if you guys want to, nutrient panel, if you guys want to read it, pause it. And where is the nutrient? Yeah, that was it. That's all that's in this thing. Right there. Oh, let's come on, focus. So I'll read it out to you guys. Organic corn, organic quinoa, sea salt, and that's about it. So, alright, let's open this up and do a taste test for you. Okay, so here's what they look like, these little wafer flake thingies. So they taste like rice cakes, and they're really dry. Just think of it like popcorn condensed into a flat piece of cracker. Not bad, it is dry, but if you have any questions, comments, post them below or subscribe to the channel.